Bailey. This question is for Chris. What was high school like for you?
Well, it was the 1980s, so the music was different, the hairstyle was different, the clothes we wore were different than today, but probably in 5 or 10 years it'll be the same. And in school, I was just like you, probably all of you there. I tried my best. I didn't always succeed, didn't always do well, but I put my best effort into school. Math and science were kind of my favorite subject. I didn't really like English in reading too much, but I've since grown out of that, and I enjoy reading now. And I played a lot of sports. And all of that happened in a little town called York, Maine, across the United States from where we're talking to you right now. A lot of sports. And all of that happened in a little town called York, Maine, across the United States from where we're talking to you right now.
Hello, Sunsflare here. It is September 19th, 2012. We're taking a look at the Gale Crater composite image by NASA's JPL on the Explore Mars Curiosity program. We will zoom in here, and what I'd like to point out is this. In a previous video, I pointed out this section where it was not visible in a prior image, yet it is here. So this was very intriguing to me, but I may have more explanation why this is. If you take a look at this image, you've got two rock formations with 1, 2, 3, 4 legs here. Look at this. We've got two rock formations. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 legs here with a squiggly line, and again here, and again here. These are identical. The difference is this segment here. It's not here. And, this is an image composite, but there's no lines that would be that would really break this out. This has to be copy and paste. And notice this is also a different color hue than this here, or even this. And it is resized. So what's the point in this? Take a look over here. Just for observation's sake, consider this as 2 eyes, a nose, and part of the mouth. 2 eyes and a nose. I say this so I can point this out easily in this dark section here. Let's come over here. We've got 2 eyes, a nose, part of the mouth. 2 eyes and nose, and in the dark section. It's identical. Let's follow this. Zigzag, zigzag. Zigzag, zigzag. It's copy and paste. And this has to be perpeted, because look how seamless this is. And we'll come over here as well. What do you see here? You see this? It's duplicated. So what does this mean? It means you can take this entire image, throw it in the trash, because we don't know what we're looking at here. This is totally fabricated. Upset even looking at this, because I don't know if this is real. I don't know if this is real. I don't know if any of this is real. How seamless this is. Put it in the trash, because we don't know if this is real. This is the official NASA composite. Rotate it, go this way. It's even topographical, where it's got the elevation. And this is just a small portion. I've looked at the image here, so what else is bogus? Spent billions of dollars to send satellites to get these imagery. We've got rovers there, and this is what we get. I'm upset. it is what it is. Have a great night. Thanks.
It's a message from an ex-NASA employee. I don't know how to say this. I'm just trying to get my head around it myself. It seems all these years I've been working for NASA. I was an engineer, space engineer. Helps build rockets and shuttles and satellites and moon landers and moon buggies. I had no idea. No idea whatsoever. I honestly thought this stuff was going into space. I found out it's not. I tried to talk to some of my colleagues about it. They won't entertain it. They don't believe it. They still believe they're making stuff that goes into space. It turns out the only thing that NASA is sending into space is a graphic design department. I'm not sure where all this stuff goes that we build, because we are building it. It's there, you can see it, but it's not going into space. I've worked for NASA for 50 years. That's 50 years, my whole life, and just don't know what to say. I'm surprised more NASA employees haven't worked it out. The ones in the control room, when they're looking at Curiosity rover on the big screen, just about to land on Mars, and all they're looking at is a computer-generated image of Curiosity landing on Mars. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, landed! And all cheering and hollowing and yay, big party! We landed on Mars, we did it! Later on, NASA release what they say is real images of the rover landing on Mars. Why don't they show that on the big screen at the time? Instead we just get to watch computer animated image. I really thought we were sending this stuff into space. Turns out we're not. My whole life dedicated to space travel. Turns out it's all a hoax.